Hey everybody, it's Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. So we're preparing for fall. It's September or something, I don't know exactly what. September. We're doing some work inside the greenhouse, getting new beds ready for our fall crops. And Jose's doing that, and basically, I'm gonna let him show you what we're doing.
Hi, what's up guys? I'm Jose, I'm Matt's son, and we just made these new beds. Made these a little bit ago, actually. I think about a week ago? A couple weeks ago?
Something like that, maybe a week.
Yeah.
It's been raining for a while. I'm going to the garage, we're going to cut boards to build that 9x3.
Okay.
And finish out that row.
Alright. And we made these about a week ago. And now we're just filling them with dirt and, compost actually. And we're putting perlite in them too. We've already finished like 3 bags of perlite. There's the one I'm working on now. And let me put this over here real quick, guys. More perlite that we're using, and we're using peat moss to fill these boxes with. This is the one that I'm working on now. I have just put perlite in it. So how we're doing that ideally is compost, peat moss, and then perlite. And then we have to mix them all in. See, this one's got a little bit out. And we'll just make them all the way down this run. We have another set of boxes here that my dad has already started putting plants in. I don't know what's here. Let me look. It says javelin parsnips. Okay, so these are parsnips all through this run right here. This first box is parsnips, and as you see, there's like some of them coming up, but not all. And the sun's leaking here. And second box is Burt Early Wonder. So I don't know what that is, but it's actually starting to come up. This one is Rad Nero. I can't get it because I think it's tomato is what it says. It says T-O. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says T-O. It says Rad Nero T-O on there. So I think it's tomato. Oh, hi, Mr. Froggy. And this is actually coming around pretty good. This is Maple Line carrot. Yes, my dad's carrots are the best carrots. They're amazing, they're sweet, they're crunchy, awesome. Best carrots I know of. These are 5-star salads, so like you can actually just cut these down, and it looks like somebody's been stepping in it. Little footprint there, little footprint there, little footprint there. You cut these once they get to a certain height, and they grow back in like the first week, I think, week afterwards. And this is the same box, I think. Let me see. No, this is all-star salad, actually. So this stuff is basically the same. It's lettuce and stuff. You let it grow up, you cut it down, make salad out of it, and it just comes right back, actually. Pretty cool. So, like I was saying, these boxes here, we're just filling them up. We're going to put different stuff in them. The taller boxes, you guys, are going to be the deep root crops. The smaller boxes are going to be like carrots and I think onions, my dad said. But yeah, that's what we're doing for today. And my dad just finished some stuff over there. So, this is Jose with the TheLowCashHomestead. Thank you and good evening.